Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. In last week's weekly video report, I spoke extensively about the decline of the US dollar. Now, frankly, this has been a running theme of mine over the past couple of weeks. Ever since we saw the spike to all-time highs in the US dollar at the height of the pandemic in February and March, I was alerting our members to a massive turn and reversal lower in the US dollar. I was showing them what I saw was ominous signs based on the graph of the 45-year price trend in the US dollar. So notwithstanding the recent rise in the US dollar, notwithstanding, frankly, a bull run in the US dollar that saw the euro drop from all the way from 160 to 103 versus the US dollar, increasingly over the last couple of weeks, I've been alerting our members that the bull market, the legs of the bull market in the US dollar were incrementally being chopped out. Now, the title of last week's weekly video report was Global Fear Factor. I'm going to throw up a chart of the decline in the US dollar, the decline in 5-year US interest rate yields, and the soaring price of gold. So in this chart, you can see that by virtue of the fact that we have got this lower and this trend and decline in the 5-year treasuries indicates contraction, slower and sluggish growth forecasts in the economy. And then in contrast, we see the soaring prices of gold. So now this introduces and could bring a phenomenon that we haven't seen since the 1970s, an economic phenomenon called stagflation. We have stagnant and sluggish economic growth combined with roaring inflation. Now, this is the worst possible scenario for those on fixed income because you don't get any interest rates on your savings, and inflation erodes your purchasing power. So this is going to be a real headwind to stock investors and investors on fixed income. But if you're in the know, there is plenty of money to be made. Now, I have been alerting our members with the cratering of the US dollar to start positioning themselves on the long side of silver. The ticker symbol of silver is XAGUSD in the spot FX market. And I've been advising our members to start building silver positions since early July. I'm going to flash a couple of emails that I sent out beginning in early July to start building a position in the mid-18s, then in the low 19 and mid-$19 area. And now silver is sitting above $24. So in the past couple of weeks, the prices of silver have actually doubled from the pandemic low of $11. We're now sitting at $24. And since we started putting on our positions, silver has gone up over 30%. Now, I'm just going to read you out a quick email that I got from one of our members, from Chris. And Chris says, "Hey, Mark, I just wanted to say thank you. I've been with you on the Elite program for a while, and to be honest, I don't take all your trades. However, you have given me knowledge, which is the ultimate power, and allows me to make my own trading decisions. I really liked your silver trade and invested $15,000 at a price level of $19.38, and then added again to my positions with the profits I had. I feel we may not see the price level of $20 for many years to come, and I wanted to have a good core position. Today, I've taken $10,000 in partial profits, and I'm still sitting in approximately $100,000 in profit. I'm now sitting in a risk-free trade with an open average price of $20.66 and waiting patiently in the coming days and weeks for any pullback. What a great position." So what does this mean to my family and I? I can now afford to put my 2 young children all the way through private education. It gives me goosebumps to say this, and this is before I've even told my wife. Wow, I'm lost for words. Kind regards, Chris. So Chris is on our Elite program. The Elite program is where I send our members my daily analysis and trades. But I feel a great jumping off spot is the weekly video report. This will give you a sense for my trading methodology, my trading approach, which is exclusively based on the analysis of price. I always say price is the news. Price is a discounting mechanism. The markets are ahead of the news. So I was well ahead of this dollar decline. We were building positions way before silver started taking off, and our members have really benefited greatly. So I would highly suggest that you check out my weekly video report. And frankly, it's a no-brainer offer because you get to sign up for any price you want to pay. So typically I find, karma or universal balance, that what you put out in the universe, you get back. Same thing here. The more you value something, the more you're likely to get back. But I don't want to sound self-serving. You get to elect whatever price you want. So it's a no-brainer. Click the link below this video and sign up for the weekly video report. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. So with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading week, and I'll see you next time.